Okay, so in this video, real quickly, I'm going to show you here in a minute what could trigger the next Dogecoin bull run. Drop in the comments below, how long have you held Doge? I've been holding it now for years. Obviously, we know what's happened in the last 2 years, really starting in Q1 of 22. We've had, the recession, in my opinion, the recession, we've had inflation, all that kind of stuff, all the bad out there, right? We've had that. But I want to talk to you real quickly about what will happen here, what could be the next bull run market. And in that, I want to hear from you. When did you buy Dogecoin and how long you've been holding it? So let me hear from you in that regard. Okay. So here's what could basically trigger the next Dogecoin bull run. Okay. And real quickly, we're going to talk real quick. We're gonna break into this. It's right here. Okay. So quote from this particular analyst. Dogecoin is approaching the apex of this multi-year descending triangle formulation. Formation. Remember, I talked about that really at the beginning of 22. A weekly candlestick close above 8 cents, basically 835 could trigger the beginning of a new Doge bull run, potentially towards $1. You heard me right. I started covering Doge in May of 21. Actually was basically fundamental in launching my channel. That was when Elon Musk was going on SNL, Saturday Night Live. You probably remember that. So we basically are looking for so they'll get that, but we also must watch out for the 0.0482 support. So let's take a look at where Doge is right now. So Dogecoin right now is at 6 cents. So if we break above that 0.0835, it could signal the beginning of the next bull run for Doge. And kind of looking at Doge right here on TradingView, you can see that we kind of had this move down a little bit. This has been a move down from this last momentum down alert, which is, by the way, that alert's coming from my software, my trading indicator software. Links description below if you want to pick it up. That's a 9% move down from that momentum down to this. By the way, that's what my software does. It tells you when to buy, when to sell. You can get alerts sent to your phone. So link in the description below to this page. There's a discount code down there as well where you can pick it up for basically make that discount where it's basically a little bit more than $1 a day. And I have a 30-day no questions asked refund money back guarantee. Okay. But we're seeing Doge now starting to move up. And right here, you can see from my software coming there, that's about a 3% move up. Now there's another momentum up, another buy alert right here, kind of coming into here. We've spiked all the way up to that, but I think again, it's really settling in right there. So again, are we starting to see the beginning of a major, bull run come into play? Here's what I would say to you. Remember, what do we have out in the future? We have the Bitcoin ETF approval. That's going to lift Bitcoin up insanely high. And when that happens, everything else, including Dogecoin, is going to run up with that, right? Remember that. We got the Bitcoin halving event. Again, that's going to send Bitcoin up insanely high. That's going to lift the market cap of Doge as well. So when Bitcoin moves up, everything else goes up with it. So this is all good news. Okay, so I think we'll start to see Doge continue to move up. And if we get above that 0.0835 number, that could be the official kind of beginning of a spark moving Dogecoin all the way, continue to back up, maybe towards that all-time high of 70 plus cents, and then obviously on its way to $1. Let me know your thoughts. Drop in the comments below. I'll see you. Go make some money.